And there is a new concern emerging among some pediatricians and also health officials. School closures plus a freeze on many organized sports could send kids on a downward health spiral.
13 Action News anchor Trisha Keene looks at how COVID-19 could be fueling bad eating habits and what you need to know to help your kids rebound.
I just wouldn't eat for a few days.
18-year-old Emma, who didn't want to show her face, says she knows all about the stress of trying to stay fit.
My friends were all like the skinny ones, and I was like the one with baby fat, or I was the chunky one, so it was just easier to do that instead of exercise.
Unfortunately, she didn't handle it well and suffered the consequences.
I would get all shaky and weak. It was definitely headaches.
It's important to not become a victim to body comparison.
The Las Vegas Eden Treatment Center for Eating Disorders says it's far too easy for kids and teens to fall into the trap of bad dieting. Executive Clinical Director Joanna O'Neill says anorexia and bulimia are real threats, especially since kids are home all day, typically spending more time online.
Many individuals are relying on social media and other unreliable sources for some information.
It's an issue heightened by an increase in depression and anxiety health professionals are seeing among kids and teens during the pandemic. These unchecked emotions are also leading to binge eating, which is notably dangerous due to a lack of activities in school sports. To help protect your children, look for these signs. First, are they experiencing extreme weight loss or weight gain? Are they frequently skipping meals or refusing to eat? Or maybe they're eating abnormally large amounts of food in one sitting. Be sure to also look at their behavior away from the table.
Are they isolating from family and from friends, spending a lot of time in their room, spending a lot of time again on social media and just not really connecting the way they used to with other people?
Joanna says don't be afraid to seek professional help if some of the signs are there.
A lot of times parents don't even know, what to do when they do find out. They don't know who to turn to.
The National Eating Disorders Association is a great place to go for support and resources. Also, be sure to keep the lines of communication open with your child.
Coming from a sense of just curiosity, love, and support, and wanting to help your teen instead of, you're in trouble.
Joanna says it's important to remind your children that what they're feeling is normal. Emma agrees and says she knows it's an issue facing many teens.
You're not alone. So many people feel insecure and alone, but all you really need is just to talk to someone.
For 13 Action News, I'm Trisha Keene.
And if you need someone to speak with, you can call the National Eating Disorders Association. Their helpline is open Monday through Friday. That number is 1-800-931-2237.